Welcome to this lesson on freelancing and consulting. Freelancing has become one of the fastest growing ways for professionals to earn income online. Instead of working for a single employer, freelancers provide services to multiple clients on a project basis. Consulting is closely related but focuses more on offering expert advice and strategic guidance. Both freelancing and consulting allow individuals to use their skills and knowledge to generate income. In this lesson, we will explore how freelancing and consulting work in the digital economy. We will also discuss how professionals can build successful careers using these models. Let us begin by understanding the concept of freelancing. Freelancing involves offering professional services to clients who need specific tasks completed. These services may include writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, or video editing. Freelancers typically work remotely and communicate with clients through online platforms. This global connectivity allows freelancers to work with businesses from different countries. One of the first steps in building a freelancing career is identifying your core skills. Successful freelancers usually specialize in skills where they have strong expertise. Once skills are identified, freelancers create professional profiles that showcase their abilities and experience. A strong portfolio is essential because it demonstrates the quality of previous work. Clients often evaluate portfolios before deciding to hire a freelancer. Clear communication and reliability are also important for building long-term client relationships. Freelancers who deliver high-quality work and meet deadlines are more likely to receive repeat projects. Now let us look at consulting. Consulting focuses on helping organizations solve problems and improve performance. Consultants usually have advanced knowledge or specialized experience in a particular field. For example, a marketing consultant may help a company improve its advertising strategy. A business consultant may assist organizations in improving operations and management processes. Consultants typically analyze problems, recommend solutions, and guide businesses toward better results. Building authority is very important for consultants. Many consultants share their expertise through articles, presentations, or professional networking. This helps them build credibility and attract clients who need their expertise. Freelancers and consultants also need strong time management and organizational skills. Managing multiple projects requires careful planning and clear communication. Setting clear expectations for pricing, deadlines, and deliverables helps maintain professional relationships. In summary, freelancing and consulting provide flexible opportunities for professionals to earn income online. These models allow individuals to work independently while offering valuable services to businesses. Success in freelancing and consulting depends on expertise, professionalism, and consistent quality work. With the right approach, these careers can grow into stable and rewarding sources of income. In the next video we will discuss about cashback and coupon arbitrage. Stay connected with us. Thank you.